Hi everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and today we've got another scroll for you to unbox. Now before we get started into this video, I just want to point out that these bags, you know them bags that I've been busy putting the thank you for your order stickers on, but as you can see, these are the same bags. So the bags that this seller used, his comes from the range, so yeah, so very lovely indeed. As you can see here, we've got the thank you, I hope you have a good time, and let's get into it. Now I've got two things in here because she only was selling a craft body card, and I've never seen this one before, but yeah, this is another Christmas. I feel like I've been buying more Christmas than any other ones. The cute little cow sticker there, look at that. Wow, so let's get into here. I think this has been double bagged because there's a lot of this bag going on here. Yeah, these are quite lovely bags. I quite like these bags. So they did have the larger size of the range, so I might get some of them, but at the moment I've still got the yellow ones to use up, so I won't buy new ones until I've run out of the last ones. Otherwise I'll have bags everywhere. So right, let's just cut down a little bit more. Oh, look at that tissue wrap. Oh, wow. Oh, that is lovely tissue wrap. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I'd love to know where they get this tissue wrap from. That is gorgeous. Okay, now. Now, because we've done a scroll before, I'm going to open the card first, but what I'm going to do is I won't save this bubble wrap because I've still got a roll that I bought from the range. But what I'm going to do is open the card first. And oh my god, it's got little bunnies. Oh my god, this is gorgeous tissue wrap. Look at that. I'm going to have to take... Oh, look at that. Up above the streets and houses, rainbow flying high. Do you know that program back in the 80s where it goes, with a rainbow? George the hippo, or was he the bear? I can't remember now. But this time we've got a little rainbow keyring and a little sunflower. Look at that, free gift. Absolutely stunning. So I quite like this, Sally. You get a freebie every time you order. So I wonder if we get two because we've ordered two products. Probably not, but look at this tissue wrap. Oh, I love it. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to take a photo of that and see whether I can try and locate it, because with Temu, if you take a photo of it, as much as I don't want to open this, I'm going to have to, but with Temu, if you take a photo of it and you can search for it, the system tries to search for it in the app. So oh my god, I just really don't want to open this. It's so beautiful. I feel like I'm doing an Easter unboxing with this, but this is the... Oh, it's like Christmas, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, look at that, people. It's a cute little lion cub. Well, it's actually a tiger cub, but I've not seen this one before, and it's been such a long time since I did a craft body card. Craft body cards are fabulous. Their quality is fantastic. Really nice, thick, chunky cards, and yeah, look at that. Oh, wow. That is a really big card, isn't it? It's absolutely massive. And you've got the little waterfall in there. You've got the, you know, the foliage going around. It's like a scene from the Jungle Book where he's just sitting on the rock. And in there, as you can see, these are our drills. So yeah, I'm going to open it up and see what we got in here. Just looking at the card itself, the stick. Oh, it is a little bit weak in places, but yeah, this is another reason why I film Vinted unboxings, because if there's something wrong with it, you can then go to Vinted and, you know, show them the video of what the problem is. But in here, it looks like it's all okay, so really happy with that. And as you can see here, it's our cute little craft buddy pack. They come in these little paper things, so much nicer than the plastic, I have to say. And as you can see, you've got your little craft buddy paper tube pen there as well. So we'll pop that back into there. For me, I would just use that as an ordinary envelope, but what I do is I tend to like slice that off there and then stick it on the wall. They're just so lovely cards. Although having said that, I do think that would look quite nice in a frame. Could you imagine like a 20x20 frame? I don't know how big it is, but you could probably trim it down a bit. Probably not though, because you've got the jewels on the edge, but I'm sure you can get a frame that would fit that, you know, like how we did the seal. So we'll put this back in here before I don't lose it, because I don't want to lose that yet. So we'll pop that back in there. And then of course these are our jewels in here. I'm super excited for this gunk. I can't wait to show you this gunk. And inside here, as you can see, these are our jewels. Absolutely stunning. I love this. I can't get over this little rainbow keyring. It's so cute. And we've got a brown, a grey, a light grey, another brown, lots and lots of browns in this. Wow. Grey, and then obviously loads of browns again. But what's nice, look, they give you some sparkly ones with the lime green and the green there. So what a lovely little card. Yeah, I think she only had the one craft body card, so it's really nice to go back to doing some cards, because I haven't had cards in so long. So now is the best bit, people. This is the best bit. I feel like it's Christmas. Can you see what it is? Look, it's a Christmas scroll, people. A Christmas scroll. When have we ever had a Christmas scroll? Like, oh my god, I'm still on the hunt for a nativity set. You know, for years I've been saying I want a nativity set. I really want a nativity diamond painting, and I can't find one. I look, last year was the same. I just couldn't find any that I liked. But that is the true magic of Christmas, a nativity painting. So hopefully this seller might sell a nativity, but they only really sell craft buddy stuff. So quite a good supplier, really, isn't it? Because I bought loads of her, and every item is just so beautiful. Right, let's have a look and look at this. Oh my god, look! Oh! Oh my god, look at that! The lantern is sort of like all jazzed up, but look, this is so got a rock and roll at Christmas time. We've got the gnomes Christmas gonks. They're the gonk elves, look, wrapping all the presents. Oh, what a fantastic, look at all the decorations and the holly and the ivy. Oh my god, this has got to be my favourite one ever. Oh wow, let's get into this, because I'm super excited about this. Oh my god. Oh wow, look at this. Got your tray again, and then obviously standard how to thingamajig. But look, we don't even have to get it out of the box. We just know the quality is just going to be beautiful. But look at that. Look at the detail on this. Oh man, this is going to be really beautiful. Oh, nice. I like the fact they've used the wooden one on this one. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at all that colour. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a gorgeous one. Look at that point. Is that a poinsettia? Oh my god, this is gonna be a really beautiful one. What a lovely purchase. I only paid £8 for this, and look at that. Oh my god, look at that. We've got like a garland thing with cherry, with holly and ivy. We've got all the Christmas balls. We've got the two gonks. Oh my god, this has just got so much detail going in it. Look at this. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my god, this has to, right, that's it. The honeybee one, this has exceeded it. This is the best one out of the pavilion, the honeybee, and now this. This has to be the best one. What a stunning painting this is. Now, I think this might be a discontinued kit, because when I tried to get the gnome painting, so you know this one here, I couldn't get the link for it on the Craft Buddy website. It's like they discontinued this one. Whether this is a new one or an old one, I'm not sure. But look at Christmas time. This is going to be such a fun one to work on. You've even got, I love how they put the holly and the ivy up here, and then down here you've got the holly and the ivy again, but with these stars, as if it's like a light switched on within there. Because we've got a garland at my mum's house that we put on the stairs, and it's got twinkling lights all the way through it. But this is just, oh my god, I can't I mean, I'm just over the moon with it. It's just so much going on, and that's what you want. You want a painting that's got a lot of, you know, it's really busy in it. So lots of things going on, like you've got your bells, you've got your presents, you've got the gong cows here, you've got the lantern, you've got the border, you know. Oh my god, this kit is out of this world. This is such a fantastic kit. And as you know, Craft Buddy pride themselves on luxury, and this truly is luxury, people. So if you like Christmas and you like gonks, you so need to get this painting. But as I say, I don't know if it will still be available, because Vinted is the home to things that are been out for years and you can't find. Vinted's going to be the place you find it on. Now, these are the drills. So as you can see, we've got a purple, a grey, a pink. Oops, what was that? Sorry, me little rainbows fell off. Another brown, a grey, a couple of browns. Cool, I'm going to be busy in December, ain't I? I've got these to do. I've got to do the big Santa LED light. I've got the jingle bells to do. Oh my god. Wow, I'm thinking we're going to have to do this live every day, like just play lots of Christmas music and just go live with it. It's just such a lovely one. But then I'm itching to get into it now. I don't know what to do. It's such a lovely painting. And then we've got loads of reds. We've got a green, an orange, a blue, a grey, a couple of blues and greens. And obviously that one's quite nice and into blue. But oh my god, I can't get over. I've done a lot of unboxings this year, and I'm telling you now, this has got to be my absolute favourite to date. From all the companies I shop with, this is definitely by far the best, I think, because this is just absolutely stunning. I mean, it's just so lovely, isn't it? I can't get over this. It's just so much going on. I mean, the colours are just all very well spaced out. You've not got, you know how sometimes you get a painting and they put a blue next to a blue in like flowers. They've really jumbled it up on here, and this is just, I just can't get over this. This is just an absolute real beauty of a painting. And yeah, I don't think she's got any more scrolls. She has got another bee, because I noticed that she uploaded another one of these, so she has got another one of them, if you do want to get that. But yeah, these are just, I can't get over this. This is just such a gorgeous piece of kit. And what's nice as well with these up here, they're two different hats. So you've got this one with stripes, and then this one's got like snowballs with snowflakes on it. But oh wow, what a beauty. What an absolute beauty. I am absolutely so over the moon with this. I think it's stunning. The rendering is so sharp, vibrant. Oh my god, people, you need to get this. You really do need to get this, because this is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I just, yeah, well worth the wait, I think. And we got a little rainbow. I was thinking maybe I would have got like a pink turtle, because we got a blue one. I thought, I had this feeling I might get a pink turtle, but we got this little rainbow charm, which is kind of cute. It's so nice. I don't really want to take it out the little packet, but how cute is that? And it's got like a little flower on it with like a petal missing. Yeah, this is, oh my god. It just, this seller, you just want to go back and buy more. They just have so many wonderful stuff. And yeah, so we got that. Let us know in the comments what your favourite is. I think it's got to be this. And then obviously we've got our little tiger cub, which we normally do in January. So the next time we do a tiger, it will be part of the January theme. So yeah, I don't know when that will be, because the channel is being rested at the end of this year. I'm taking a bit of a break from YouTube, so whenever we bring that back in, that's when we'll do it. But it may feature on a completions video. I might do that in a couple of days, because that might get done if I do with some now, because I've just been coming to the end of the crabs, so I could use them for that. And then yeah, probably take a couple of days to get that done. But wow, I can't get over this gunk painting. I think Paula's gonna love that, because she does a lot of the Craft Buddy scrolls and she loves gonks. So Paula, you need to get this, because this is beautiful. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. If it's not on the Craft Buddy website, there's a high chance they've discontinued it. Which in that case, you're going to have to look on places like eBay or Vinted to get it. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, to have that notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when we do a video on the channel. And I'll see you next time. The next unboxing is from Temu, so that'll be your next unboxing, and it's got a pearl painting in it. I can't wait. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, have a wonderful day, God bless, see you next time.